Imagine a world where doctors believed that your blood flowed like the tides, ebbing and flowing between your heart and other organs. Sounds bizarre, right? But for centuries, this was the standard medical belief. It was a young doctor named William Harvey who bravely challenged these ancient ideas and revolutionized our understanding of the human body. His discovery, made in the 17th century, laid the foundation for modern medicine. This is his story. Before Harvey, the medical world was dominated by the ideas of Galen, a Greek physician who lived in the 2nd century AD. Galen's theories were so influential that they remained unchallenged for over 1,000 years. According to Galen, the human body was governed by 3 souls or pneuma: the rational soul in the brain, the irascible soul in the heart, and the concupiscible soul in the liver. These souls were responsible for different functions, and the blood played a minor role in this complex system. Galen believed that air was transformed into pneuma in the lungs, which then circulated through the body in a tidal motion. The liver produced blood from food, and this blood carried natural spirit through the veins. Some of this blood entered the heart, where it was transformed into vital spirit, which was then carried to the brain to become animal spirit. This spirit was distributed through the body via the nerves, which Galen thought were hollow. William Harvey was born in 1578 in Folkestone, England, into a family of means. He received a scholarship to study medicine at Gonville and Caius College, Cambridge, one of the best medical schools of the time. After completing his studies, Harvey went to Padua, Italy, to further his education. Padua was a hub of medical innovation, and Harvey studied under some of the most renowned physicians of the era. One of his most influential teachers was Fabricius ab Aquipendente, who had discovered tiny valves in the veins of the limbs. These valves allowed blood to flow in only one direction, which puzzled Fabricius. He tried to fit this discovery into Galen's theories, but the valves didn't quite fit. This observation would later become a crucial piece of evidence in Harvey's groundbreaking work. When Harvey returned to England, he became a respected physician and was appointed to serve the royal family. Despite his success, Harvey was driven by a burning curiosity about the human body. He was particularly interested in the heart and the circulation of blood. He began to question Galen's theories and conducted numerous experiments to understand how the heart worked. Harvey observed that the heart contracted to pump blood, not expanded as Galen had suggested. He also noticed that the arteries expanded when the heart contracted, indicating that blood was being forced into them. This was a crucial observation that contradicted the prevailing beliefs of the time. Harvey then traced the path of blood from the heart to the lungs and back. He realized that the blood must be flowing in a continuous circuit, not just moving in a tidal motion. This was a revolutionary idea. To prove his theory, Harvey performed experiments on living animals, measuring the amount of blood pumped by the heart and the rate of blood flow. He found that the amount of blood pumped by the heart in a short time was far greater than could be supplied by the food a person ate. This led him to conclude that the blood must be circulating in a closed loop. Harvey's discovery of the circulation of blood was a major breakthrough in medical science. It challenged the long-held beliefs of the medical community and opened the door to new understandings of the human body. His work laid the foundation for modern physiology and paved the way for the development of medical technologies such as thermometers, sphygmomanometers, and electrocardiograms. Harvey's book, De Motu Cordis et Sanguinis in Animalibus, on the motion of the heart and of blood in animals, published in 1628, was a concise and compelling argument for the circulation of blood. Despite initial resistance from the medical establishment, Harvey's ideas gradually gained acceptance. By the 18th century, the circulation of blood was widely recognized as a fundamental principle of human physiology. Today, William Harvey is remembered as one of the greatest medical scientists of all time. His discovery of the circulation of blood changed the course of medical history and continues to influence medical practice and research. His approach to scientific inquiry, which combined careful observation, experimentation, and logical reasoning, set a new standard for medical research. Harvey's work also had a broader impact on the scientific community. His emphasis on empirical evidence and the importance of challenging established beliefs helped to usher in the scientific revolution. His discoveries inspired other scientists to question long-held assumptions and to explore new ideas. The story of William Harvey is a testament to the power of human curiosity and the importance of challenging established beliefs. His discovery of the circulation of blood revolutionized medical science and paved the way for modern medicine. Today, we take for granted the knowledge that blood circulates in a closed loop. But it was a young doctor named William Harvey who first dared to question the ancient theories and uncover the truth. So the next time you feel your heartbeat, remember William Harvey and the groundbreaking work that changed our understanding of the human body. His legacy lives on in every heartbeat, a reminder of the enduring impact of scientific discovery.